How to fix Zoom can't use whiteboard problem. Hello friends, welcome back to How to Fix It YouTube channel. So guys, if you are unable to use the whiteboard in the Zoom app, then guys, how you can fix this problem? In this video we are going to discuss about the solution. Okay, I'll tell you the solution to fix the problem. So if you are unable to use the whiteboard, then just stay tuned with the video. In this video you will get to know that how you can use the whiteboard as well. Okay, the solution in this video, I'll tell you the solution and I'll tell you the setting from where you can use the whiteboard. If you don't know, then guys, this video is going to be helpful for you. Okay, so just stay tuned with the video, and guys, before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest update. So now let's begin the tutorial. So at the first step, guys, you have to go to your Play Store. Okay, open up your Play Store, and then guys, here you have to search for the Zoom. And after finding out your application, you have to update it. Okay, because many of the times we don't update our application, so some of the apps features, okay, doesn't work properly, so you have to update the application. So update is a very important process, so you have to update it. And then guys, click on the recent, and then guys, close the Zoom application. If it is open, then guys, you have to close the application like this. Okay, I'll show you like this. You have to close the application because it's restarting your application. Now go to your Zoom. Okay, so make sure to restart your device as well. After the update, close the application, restart your phone, and then guys, go to Zoom. I'll show you what you have to do here. Okay, let's start a meeting. So guys, as you can see, connecting is going on at the top. So after we get connected to the meeting, I'll show you here. So guys, as you can see, okay, we have joined the meeting. Now you have to click here on the share option. So click on the share and click on the whiteboard, and then guys, click on this pencil, and you can select the color as well. Okay, so you can select the color. uh okay, so now let's draw anything. Okay, it's like this. And guys, if you want to increase the pencil sign, you can, I mean pencil, if you want to increase the, okay, this one, then guys, you can easily increase it. And guys, from here you can undo at the top. Okay, as you can see guys, so this is how you can use the whiteboard. Okay, so let's end up the meeting. So guys, this is how you can use the whiteboard, and this is how you can fix the problem in Zoom. I hope this video will be definitely helpful for you. And guys, if this video is helpful, then don't forget to give a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.